all into a formula to figure out what comes next. We're next to the field of grass, but with Cheng, we always look forward to class. We don't get bored and fall into slumbers, rather we have fun and learn about numbers. Let's start with a set of scores. It's the total number of scores, also called n. Then we get x bar, which will always take us very far. It's the sum of scores divided by n. But hey, this is not the end. Then it is the frequency you can get. Believe us, this is your best bet. Frequency is the amount of times the score occurs in a set. This you really want to get. The word data is the number of scores from empirical research doors. And stats lets us find the answer to how we want to interpret the answer. Something cool is that this school could be the population. And even while we ramble, our class could be the sample. And if we're like the rest of the population, we're representative. But if we're a bit special, then we're unrepresentative. But let's stop being lazy cows and get up to the here and now. The frequency of each score is shown by the sample frequency distribution. And the symbol for frequency is, you guessed it, the letter F. Now if anyone want to wrap stuff up to the front, and you can be the ref. Now to chapter 4, let's get up from the floor. If you want to be the most precise and mean, then you got to be real accurate and use the mean. But if you want to be the highest occurring number, use the mode. You'll always get that number. Now let's get to chapter 5, so give us a high five. Let's describe the range, which is the amount between the highest and lowest number scored. But let's finish up this rap so we can open these summer doors. We thought this class might be dumb, but it turned out with Cheng, oh my god, it was just so amazingly fun. Well, there were a lot of numbers we used. It was always big numbers. Why was it rarely the number 1? Now let's thank Cheng while we take this test, so that we can do our best while we play the stats game in the West.